I would now request the Director General, Software Technology Parks of India, Dr. Omkar Rai, to address all of us. Dr. Omkar Rai.
Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri Siddharamaiah ji, Honorable Minister for IT, BT, Science and Technology, Planning and Statistics, Sri S.R. Patil ji, Sri R. Chandrasekhar ji, President NASSCOM, Sri Krish Gopal Krishnan, Chairman Karnataka IT Vision Group, Sri Srivats Krishna, Secretary IT, BT, SNT and E-Governance Karnataka, Sri Andreas Brecho, Member of Board, DSMS Germany, Sri Mehul Shah, MD Hanover, Milano Fairs India Private Limited, Sri P.K. Das, Director STPI Bangalore, Ms. Tanusri Dev Verma, Director IT, Government of Karnataka, Captains of IT industry, participants, exhibitors, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this inaugural ceremony of Bangalore IT.biz 2014 under the auspices of CBIT 2014. As we know that the CBIT has long history as a well-established brand name in entire world, which brings value to its exhibitors, participants and partners. The member of the board just during the tea session just mentioned that CBIT at Hanover started way back in 1947. And you can see the long history, long experience of the CBIT in bringing those values and adopting those best practices and making the things seamlessly, bringing things seamlessly on the same page for entire world. And therefore, I must commend the Government of Karnataka officials, STPI Bangalore officials, that they, at a point, had joined hands with CBIT to showcase and to carry out the event Bangalore IT.biz, which is a flagship event and has been happening for the last 16 years. Bangalore IT.biz started and it has delivered value to the participants IT industry in Bangalore, not only in Bangalore, for the entire country, making India a brand image in the entire world. But this was the time when there were a lot of initiatives happening from the state government. Industry was also moving up, is also moving up the value chain. The nation is transiting from service to a product nation. And therefore, it was imperative that we have to have a platform which brings our smart MSME companies, our startup, our product companies on the map of the world to extract and to have the best of the value. And therefore, the entire effort that has been made in this regard is quite commendable, with the blessings of the Government of Karnataka, with the honorable blessings of the Honorable Minister and Honorable CM. STPI, as has been happening for last many years, has decided to have a Make in India pavilion stall in this Bangalore IT.biz, where we are hosting 127 startup companies, product companies selected from 21 states of this country. And I am thankful to the secretaries of those states who have not only took the pain, but they have made best effort to pick up the best of the companies of their region, their state, and to send them across to participate in CBIT 2014, which is happening in Bangalore. Imagine the kind of number of companies, 127 companies from all across the country, talking to each other, exhibiting alongside, and the kind of generating the kind of experience, sharing the experience, and at the kind of peer learning that they are going to have on the platform that the CBIT offers. They are going to get the greatly benefited and extracting value from this event. The Government of India has recently announced the Digital India Initiative. And among many other objectives of that initiative, the most important objective to my mind is to make India self-reliant in the ESDM sector and IT sector and produce the hardware and software not only to meet the domestic needs but also to export and to capture the growing talent that we have in India and use them and put them to good use for product creation, IPR creation, to support the startup culture in this country. And I would say that when the IT industry in India is 2 decades old and matured enough, with a lot of talent across the country, then this was the time when we needed this kind of platform together. As said, the CeBIT, Germany CeBIT Hanover 2014, which happened just in March 2014, the business transaction during that event is stated to be $20 billion. And this is the kind of value that we are looking for. I would genuinely aspire and hope that in a decade's time or 15 years' time, maybe that one will not be able to decide which CeBIT is better, whether CeBIT Bangalore is better or CeBIT Hanover is better. The India is transiting from service nation to product nation with a great speed, and the government at all levels are taking initiative to make things simpler, to have minimum governance and maximum governance, to reap the benefits of demography, to employ the youth of this country, to reap the benefits and capitalize on the demography that we have and demand that we have with the speed and the skill and with all the effort. With this, I would wish all the best for this event for all 3 days and thank all the stakeholders for making things to such an extent. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Omkar Rai, for a highly thought-provoking address. Thank you.